So do you know that you can create stunning AI videos by simply animating your images? And yes, you can achieve this for free. You heard me right, completely free. And I'm talking about videos such as this and this. So if this is something you like to achieve, then you're on the right video. Come close, let me show you how you can do this. Shh, let's keep it low. Some people are actually holding this as a secret, but I promise I won't gatekeep. So I'll be teaching you how to do that in this video. So all I want you is to promise me that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. The steps are quite easy, and of course within a matter of seconds you start generating AI videos that you can use on your various social media profiles. Shh, like I said, keep it low. So let's get started. So after making that promise, I'm counting on you to keep it low. So now let's get started. But in case you're coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, Chibuzagwa is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. And what we do here is actually tutorial based channel. It's a technology related channel, a do-it-yourself channel, whatsoever I want to call it. But I normally periodically bring in tutorials that lets each and every one of us to do things easily all by ourselves without employing the services of a so-called tech savvy person, because you can do it all by yourself. So that's the one reason why I see you being part of this channel. So if you want to be part of this channel, please and simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial videos just like this. Might not be a tutorial video, but I promise you it will be related to technology. So now let's get started. Now the thing is that most people are gatekeeping this, but you might already have the app you can use to do this, and there's no other app than the Meta AI app. Here's the Facebook Meta AI app, and that's what we'll be jumping into it. But in case you've not downloaded the app yet, all you have to do is to head to the Google Play Store. If you're using an Android device, search for Meta AI, that's META space AI, and of course download the app. And if you're using an iPhone, go to the Apple Store and download the app. They are available in both platforms. Now after downloading the app, all you have to do now is to navigate and open it. So now let's open our Meta AI app. This is the Meta AI app here. Yes, I just downloaded this in this device for the tutorial base. I have it installed almost all devices I'm using. So now the app is actually opening. For the first start, it will actually sync with your Facebook account. So that's why it's normally okay for you to download it in the app. You already have your in the device. You already have your Facebook app. The Meta AI is also available on desktop version. That's if you're using a Windows PC or MacBook. So opening this is what you will find. Let me see if I'll give it a little bit volume. So these are videos that people have already created. Creators just like you. Hold on, let me reduce this because I don't want any interruption. These are videos that people have already created, and you can create something like this. Now, so to start creating videos, you see the plus button at the top right corner. Let's tap on it and let's create an exemplary video with this. Also, using the Meta AI app, you can also generate image. If you have an image of yours already, you can make use of them. But if you want to generate image from the scratch, just key in the prompt and generate an image. So in this video, in these steps, let me use a video I've already created and stored in my gallery, so not to waste your time, because I want the video to be fast enough. So let me use this video, this image that I'm in a church. Yes, it's a church scene. So as you can see, it's an image of myself in the church. Yes, in the church congregation, and I'm holding my hand. So now let's be creative using this image. Now all I have to do now is to let me just type animate. Hold on, let me type I'm now trying to key in the prompt. I hope you understand. Let me say animate this photo. Let me use a photo. Okay, photo. Now I'm just trying to be creative. You know, creativity depends on how far you can think, so it's limitless. So let me just say animate this photo. So let the man in the photo, let me just say, raise up his hands for joy while smiling. I'm just using let me use a small prompt so that you can easily understand what I'm saying. But I say creativity depends on how your brain, how far you can think. You can type in any other prompt you want, but just for this video, it's a tutorial video, let me just use it. So it now send it in, and let's see the magic. So at the moment, let's see it will start processing within a matter of seconds. So let's see how it goes. The processing speed is actually dependent on your internet service at that moment, and also maybe the number of people that have key in prompts. Let's see how it goes. But the good thing is that no matter how, if it takes time in creating or generating the video, it will always send you a notification once the image, the video has been created fully. So let's see, the video is now creating. Hope you can see that 33% is increasing by the moment. So let's see how the video will look like at the end of the creation. And also, one thing you should also notice that they are normally 5-second videos. So if you want to like create a long form content, maybe up to a minute, that means you have to join 20 different, you have to animate 20 different images. Am I correct? Yes, to make it up to a minute. If you want how, depend on how long you want it, but always ensure that the images are in sequence. And as you can see, let me see. Damn, let me zoom it out for you to see what I'm talking about. So let it play. How do you see this? You can see we just created a video from a mere static image. This is wonderful. I'm telling you, this is wonderful. So now after creating your video just like this, you can also, and let me increase it a little bit because you can add sound to it. You can add sound to it by also using prompt, but I don't want to go there. But if you key in also another prompt, let's go back. If you key in another prompt for it to bring up a sound for you, it will show you the various sounds that are available on Meta that you can add to it, or you can see music. Once I tap on music and you choose the various sound you want, but for this sake of this video, I don't want to add sound because I want it to be as fast as possible. So now after creating this thing, you can share the post on this your Meta AI platform of yours, or you can simply download it. So now let's download this video. So you see the download button just below the video. The first icon you see below the video, that's the arrow pointing down. Like we all know, is the download button. So you tap on it, and as you can see, automatically it has been saved to my device. So you see how wonderful and amazing this images are, and they're all completely free. You can create as much as you want using the Meta AI app. So okay, hold on, let me see if I'll share. Okay, I've created a lot of videos. Reduce this volume because I don't want copyright action on this video I'm creating. So you see, after creating the video, let's now go to my gallery and find the video if it is actually saved on my device I'm using. So this is the image and this is the video. As you can see, a 5 seconds video. Let me play the video once again. How superb this is. So you can see, like I told you, can generate as much video as you want using this method, and of course you'll be good to go. So if you find this video informative enough, kindly share it to your friend. Don't gatekeep. Forget the advice I gave you from the start. Of course, it's always wise for you to share something like this for all your friends, for them to see and also learn one or two. Don't gatekeep. Please kindly share this video. And if you have any question, then go to the comment section and ask your questions below, and I'll attend to them speedily. And if you want me to create more innovative videos just like this, more do-it-yourself videos like this, you can also go to the comment section and ask me the video you'd like me to create next and upload on this YouTube channel for us to learn. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget, Chibuzo Agua remains my name. Blogging Protect is the name of this channel, and of course I believe you're part of this channel yet. But if you're not, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also go to the playlist of our this YouTube channel and watch other similar videos. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now, and don't forget to go out and start creating stunning AI videos.